From the opening, you'll experience the flow from front to back through this magnificent home at number 8 Wallaroo Court, Capalaba. You have 4 bedrooms, study, 4 living rooms with the bushland outlook. It's simply great. Wow, how impressive is that? A massive low set on 1,066 square metre block of land in a commanding position in a whisper quiet cul-de-sac. Private, secluded. A 3-bay tri-steel shed, bushland as your backdrop. It's like living on acreage without all the hassles.